Hello, this is Bill's Bargain. I have another item I'd like to tell you, part of my collection. And I think I got it at 12 by 10 also in Oklahoma. And I got it for like $10, which is not bad. And the reason it's not bad because my favorite enemy ship of all time is Romulan. I love the design. When it first came out, I thought, wow, I like it. And I replaced the batteries, and it still works. And the lighting and the sound effect work too. So here it works. That's one. That's two. That's three. That's four. Let's show you what the lighting does. I thought that's not bad for $10. The only thing missing is a stand for it. I'm gonna put it in here. I think I can make my own with no problem. So, but if anybody happen to find a stand for this, let me know, okay? So, anyway, until next time.